Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to align your HB Deskjet 2600, 2700 or 2800 series printer. Now, if your printer doesn't fall in that category, it's fine. If it's a Deskjet, it should theoretically be very similar because it's all done through the HP Smart app. Now, aligning your print head, which is, I guess, the technical term for it, can be quite important. If you notice your pages come out a little bit fuzzy, maybe straight lines that you're printing don't come out very straight, it might be because your print head is misaligned. And aligning it is essentially really what you're going to want to do. Now, unfortunately, to do this, you are going to need the HP Smart app. If you have this printer, the chances are you already have this set up. Yeah, so if your printer has to already be paired, I have another video which goes over setting up or adding printers. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about aligning the print head. So get your app up, make sure that it can see the printer nearby, and click on the printer itself. You can see there's a lot of options over here, but what we're going to be looking for is the print quality tools. It's very important that you kind of mess around with these menus and have a look if your printer's having issues, because there's actually a lot more. There's alignment and maintenance, and there's a lot of options you can run. You can run a quality report, and this will actually print a page and show you and it will basically say, look, it will print some lines, and it will say, if this line is blurry, then you need to do this. So you can kind of help diagnose any issues with your printer. But what we're going to do is we're going to go back here, we're going to go to print quality tools, and we're going to align the printer. So all you do is click align, and my one is having an error. So try again. So you have two options when it comes to aligning. There's the aligning in the print quality tools. There's also alignment in the other print menu. So I've gone ahead and clicked align print head. Now what this is going to do, it's going to print out a page, probably a couple pages, and this is going to help the printer actually essentially align itself. Now I'll let this print. It should take it's not the fastest printer in the world, so it will take a minute. So the printer has now printed out the alignment page. Now this really won't mean much to you. This is mainly for the printer to see. So what you're going to want to do with this next is actually place it face down inside the scanning tray, and then the printer will read the alignment settings and see if it's correct. So I'm going to go and do that right. So as you can see, I've placed the printer alignment face down as it tells me to on the piece of paper, and then also in the app it actually tells me to do that as well if it would like to focus. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut the lid now. And now that that's in there, we're actually going to control this through the app, and we are going to click OK. And this will take a couple of minutes, and the printer is essentially going to scan the document as it would if you were scanning or copying, and it will adjust the printer alignment as needed. So once that's done, you can see it says alignment successful and tells you to recycle or discard the alignment page. And that's it. So your printer is now aligned. It should hopefully be printing a lot clearer now and a lot straighter. And that's that for this video. Thank you very much. Hopefully this helped. Check my channel for other tutorials on this specific printer and pretty much any other Deskjet that exists. Thank you very, very much. Have a good day.